Hello everyone. Good morning. Today we will open small contracts because high volatility. Today market around in gold 485 points up and down. So we will open a small contract like 0.05. Today had heavy news driver on 10 a.m. One minute left to market open. Market open. I want to see higher prices. I don't want to open this trade. I just open it for showing you because today have 10 o'clock a heavy news driver. So after news driver, I can open the trade. So I cut my trade. I take it on live. Like this. But I'm cut my trade because I want to open the trade after 10 a.m. when market heavy news driver is going back then. This candle low is my stop loss and my target is this here. Still my target is I want to see the price higher. Still I want to see this high is here. This is the pre-market high. This is the initially pre-market high. Initially buy side liquidity is here. So I want to see price come into this initially buy side liquidity. Still my target is initially buy side liquidity, but I am opening trade after 10 a.m. because heavy news driver is arrival on 10 a.m. There is a here is PMI, manufacturing PMI on 10 9:45 have normal news, but still my target is initially buy side liquidity, then after buy side liquidity there's a pre-market high is here. There's the second target. That trade online I open, that trade only for your reference. I want to enter after 10 a.m. Once the news driver is coming, now you can move your stop loss to the break even. Still I want to see a pre-market high. Partially profit you book here. This is your TP1. Take profit here. Still my target is buy side liquidity. There is a pre-market high. Initially buy side liquidity. But I want to see this candle close this week high. Still my target is buy side liquidity is here. There is initially buy side liquidity here and pre-market high is here. This is the 5-minute inverse Fibonacci gap. Still my target is initially buy side liquidity is here and pre-market high is here. There is my target. There is the TP1 is over here. You can book your partial profit is here. Book your partial profit is here also. 10 a.m. have news driver. Before I want to see a pre-market high. You want to trail your stop loss to this candle low, this 5-minute candle low. Why? Because price, if price come back to this zone, then also if you did touch over there, then you can book your profit. Still I want to see higher prices, but price is cancellation this zone, then you can remove your trade. But still my target is pre-market high. Initially buy side liquidity is here. Right now around 67 points, means 670 pip. But still my target is pre-market high and initially buy side liquidity high. You can little bit cut your position over here because price is cancellation. So but still my target is pre-market high. then after I want to see the pre-market high. I want to see uh, this candle close above this middle of the 5 minute Fibonacci gap, but it's closing down, then also no problem for that. But I want to see the confirmation. Again, price come into this inversion Fibonacci gap. Round price going to be a 74 points. Morning I took the trade. That trade I want to see the buy side liquidity pre-market high. I cut because I want to take trade after 10 a.m. news driver. There is a heavy news driver today. So I want to take the entry after that news driver because there is a heavy impact news. Still the price is going to be a pre-market high. I take that entry for the reference. waiting for 10 a.m. news driver. This fuel gap making into inversion fuel gap. There is a 5 minute, but here also the inversion fuel gap. So price chances to be go up means higher prices. 10 minutes left for the news driver. That's why I not took it entry, because I want to see higher prices before news driver is coming, but price is not going to be far from there. There is around 70 points, not more than that. For my target to price is 74 to 75 points, not more than that. Still I want to see price higher. Still I want to see a price higher, but still price is in consolation because 10 a.m. News driver. There is a heavy news driver. 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left. Before I want to see the price is going to be higher from here. That's initially buy side liquidity is taken, pre-market high is taken. Then after I want to move, see this move. But I see earlier these things, so maybe price want to go again higher, the pre-market high, and initially buy side liquidity is here. Asia high is here. If price taking up initially buy side liquidity from here, the pre-market low is taken, then after maybe price going to be higher, but I want to see first the confirmation, then after I took the entry, otherwise I am not gonna be entering this trade. I'm waiting for the 10 a.m. news driver. This trade is break even because I told you in early stream this one your is you can move your stop loss to the break even. There's the 70 points, not more than that. Still my target is pre-market high but not taken, so no worries about that. I'm waiting for 10 a.m. news driver. There's a 3 minutes left. After 10 a.m. news driver, I want to see a higher prices. There's a pre-market high is here. Initially buy side liquidity is here. 2 minutes left. Now price going to be a sell side. Before going to a sell side, I want to see price higher but not give us that things. Now price going to be a sell side. I think price going to be a choppy. 10 a.m. news driver is arrival in around 5 seconds. I want to see the confirmation, then after I took the entry. PMI is high. Previous is 47.9 and this is the 52.6. NASDAQ is still going to be high. I think they take yesterday high. Gold, I want to see a lower prices, but still I'm waiting for the confirmation. Still I want to see the confirmation. Still I want to see a price lower on NASDAQ, on gold. Buy side liquidity is here, so I'm little bit confused. I'm waiting for the confirmation. If I am not getting any entry, then I didn't get the enter in this trade. Still, I want to see lower prices. NASDAQ is going to be higher, yesterday high. This is the end dog. Gap between two daily candles. Gold, still I want to see a lower prices. I'm going to be sell from here. I put my stop loss is here and pre-market low is here. But I'm little bit confused over here, so I want to see confirmation. Because this 1 minute Fibonacci gap I want to making into inversion Fibonacci gap, then this entry is valid, otherwise no valid this entry. Still I want to see a lower prices. Still price consolidating in this zone. I want to see this P-valley gap, this 1 minute inversion P-valley gap, and I want to see price lower this candle low and closing a full body close over here. I want to see price below this low, then after this trade going to be at the sell side. I cut a trade on manually because I don't want to take this trade like this. I don't want to see the price like this because if the price moving from here and like this, then I am not enter in this trade because they never go like this. Gold here have the 5 minute inversion P-valley gap. I want to see a lower prices, but this inversion P-valley gap, they are not going to be a big candle low. These all are weak candles, and they are not making the inversion P-valley gap also. Gold, I think, going to be a Murray, going to be a buy side today if you want to take the trade, then you can take like the scalping, not like long trade, because I am not going to be enter like this market. Here have price control, POC, price on control. Here this candle low. First entry I gave you from here. This is why, because this I want to see this inversion P valley gap, and I this candle low close above that candle high, so I want to see the price higher. I want to see pre-market high, but that not give me that time. But right now maybe the price is going to be high, but I want to see the confirmation first, then after I took the entry. Otherwise I am not gonna be enter in this trade, because still price going to be consolidation zone. This is the inversion P valley gap it's making, because this is the 5-minute P valley gap is here. Okay, so price little bit retracement, because here also have the 5-minute inversion P valley gap. So price consolidates into two between two these 5-minute P valley gaps, inversion P valley gaps. So I want to see retracement, but I want to see price lowers first. Still I want to see price lower. Still price going to be a sell side, means lower prices, pre-market low. That trade I take it, that one is okay. First entry from here, there's going to be 70 points, 75 points. Second entry is from, I wait for the news driver and I took it from here, somewhere here, and the market target is pre-market low around 55, 50 points. Still I am confused, because the price is not moving to this both Fee Valley gap. Is one is here, second is here. Between these price, once they broke, then after we took the entry. Otherwise don't take the entry. Still I want to see a lower prices. Yes, this is going to be a sell side. Still that trade is valid. Thank you so much, everyone. I don't want to enter into any trade today. If I see the little bit good session, then I took the entry. I want to see a high probability entry, A plus setup. So if I am not getting this entry, then I am not taking this entry. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day and be safe, because price, if you take the any entry, then you want to took, like, stop loss is very high, so be careful. There is around 50 points, 100 points, you want to make it your stop loss like this, so be careful. Open a small contract, because today if you enter a high contract, then 100% chance to blow your account, so be careful and take as your responsibility to take the entry, but be careful. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day.